Intro, Exterior, Performance, Interior, Safety Features, Pricing, Outro. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of something truly extraordinary, the 2026 double-decker luxury motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a fully integrated mobile residence, a smart home, and a symbol of where luxury travel is heading. If you're a fan of innovation, comfort, and road tripping in style, you're going to want to stick around. Let's dive into the future of living on the move. The exterior of the 2026 double-decker motorhome is a futuristic marvel. Designed with clean, aerodynamic lines and finished in a two-tone combination of glossy black and pearl white, it looks more like a spaceship than a traditional RV. Full-length panoramic windows span both levels, offering uninterrupted views from inside, while advanced electrochromic glass gives passengers the ability to tint windows at the tap of a button. Integrated LED lighting strips trace the body's curves, doubling as elegant accent lighting and bright visibility markers. A retractable staircase welcomes you with soft blue lights, giving it a private jet aesthetic. The roof is lined with solar panels, helping power the motorhome's internal systems off-grid. Optional add-ons include a rear-mounted drone pad, integrated outdoor kitchen module, and fully automatic awnings. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is a powerful hybrid electric drivetrain, offering both high efficiency and ample torque. The vehicle uses a dual-motor system, one electric motor for smooth, quiet city travel, and a turbocharged diesel generator for longer cross-country hauls. With a top speed of 120 km per hour, 75 miles per hour, and a range of up to 1,200 km, 750 miles on a single charge, fuel cycle, this motorhome blends performance with practicality. It features an adaptive air suspension system that self-levels on uneven terrain and adjusts to optimize aerodynamics at high speeds. The ride is smooth, silent, and incredibly stable for a vehicle of this size. Drive assistance includes Level 3 autonomous capability, meaning the motorhome can handle long highway stretches with minimal input from the driver. Think of it as cruise control, taken to the next level. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a world of modern luxury. The lower deck is a multifunctional living space, with a plush lounge area featuring Italian leather seating, a 65-inch retractable smart TV, and 360-degree ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. The kitchenette is fitted with high-end appliances, a smart induction cooktop, combination oven, full-size fridge, and a marble countertop with integrated lighting. Storage is everywhere, hidden behind seamless panels and inside multi-use furniture. A sleek spiral staircase leads you to the upper deck, where you'll find a master suite that feels more like a boutique hotel room. It includes a king-sized bed, built-in wardrobe, smart blinds, and a stargazing skylight with adaptive tint. The upper level also houses a spa-style bathroom complete with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, a smart toilet, and voice-controlled lighting. Everything is automated and touch-free. Voice assistants control everything: lights, temperature, blinds, entertainment, even the bed position. You can also use a central touchscreen or your smartphone app to manage every function. Despite being a rolling luxury home, safety remains a top priority in the 2026 model. The motorhome is built on a reinforced modular chassis with multiple crumple zones and high-impact materials. It includes a full suite of driver assist technologies: 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian and object detection. Additionally, the vehicle comes with an AI-powered co-pilot system that monitors driver behavior, weather conditions, and traffic to provide real-time recommendations. A built-in emergency power system ensures lighting, communication, and essential appliances continue running even in the event of a system failure. And yes, there are smoke detectors, CO2 sensors, and anti-theft features built right in. All this innovation and opulence comes at a price. The base model of the 2026 double-decker luxury motorhome starts at $850,000 USD, with fully loaded versions crossing $1.2 million. Custom upgrades include expanded solar arrays, luxury interior packages, satellite internet systems, mobile office configurations, and even a rooftop jacuzzi. But considering what you're getting, a full smart home, luxury hotel, and reliable long-haul travel platform in one, Many consider it a worthy investment for full-time RVers, content creators, entrepreneurs, or families chasing freedom on the open road. So, there you have it, the 2026 double-decker luxury motorhome. It's more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Combining cutting-edge design, next-gen mobility, and 5-star comfort, it redefines what it means to live and travel in the 21st century. Would you live full-time in something like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more futuristic tech reviews and luxury travel content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.